Hello friends. Here on my Excel sheet I have data. You see I have data and I'm going to show you how you can just link Excel data to PowerPoint. Maybe you are presenting and the data that you are presenting are data that are just have been copied from Excel and you just want to copy them to PowerPoint, and a good thing is that the data that you have just copied here in Excel can be just be copied to PowerPoint, and any change you make here to your sheet in Excel can also be made to PowerPoint because they are linked. And how to link your data from Excel to PowerPoint? Let me, for example, copy this data here. You see there is a formula here that I just put here. This is a formula of SUMIF. You can see it. It is SUMIF function here. This data, maybe I can change it, the projector to this. I can change whatever. I hope you have seen this in the previous video where I just shown you how I've just shown you how you can just use SUMIF function Microsoft Excel. Let me copy this data from here. You see I have my data. I can just copy from here to here, and I go to copy. I go to copy and I go to PowerPoint. I open a slide. I create a slide here, and here I paste. And how to paste this? Because I just want that any modification and change that I can make to Excel can also be here changed to PowerPoint. I go to paste. I go to paste special, and I go to paste link because I just want to link the Excel sheet to PowerPoint. I go to paste link and I go to Microsoft Excel worksheet object. I click OK. Here I have my data. I can just resize them. I can size my data to increase the size. You see here I have my data, and this means that any modification that I can make to Excel can also be seen here. Let me just minimize this to see. And this is Excel. I just want to make them somehow on the same board. Here you can see. Let me, for example, change the number here. To see here, you see we have 500 and I have 500 desks. Let me just put 1000 desks. 1000 desks. Let me see. 1000 here and 1000 here. Do you see that here it changed to? Here I have 1000 and here I have 1000. Any change I can make here can be also be changed here. Let me just change projector to disk. I can just here put disk and see. You see also it's desk. Guys, once you just link data, maybe you're presenting your data here in PowerPoint, you are just presenting this data that you have copied. Maybe here there is formulas and that cannot be made or applied to PowerPoint, but you can just link your data. Link your data to your Excel data to PowerPoint. Once they are linked, and change you can make here to Excel also can be made to PowerPoint. Let me, for example, here make something like a chart. Maybe you want to make a chart to see how the chart will look like. Let me here, for example, just select from here to here. I go to insert. I go to insert. I will just want maybe to make a 2D column chart. Here, put a chart title. Yeah, these are items that have been sold. You see here I can change. I can put axis. I can just put axis. Yeah, these are items in numbers. Yeah, these are items in numbers. Can put back or can just put, yeah, right. Yeah, these are items in numbers. Numbers, you can make different changes. You can just format your chart as you want. You can here put down here there are schools, yeah, schools here. And I just want to copy this. Let me copy this chart. I copy this chart and I go to PowerPoint. I just want to paste it there. And you can see also to here there is a chart. You see, I made a chart in Excel, but you can see it here in PowerPoint. Let me make another another slide. I can go to paste here. I go to paste special. I can paste a link. I just choose Microsoft Excel chart object. I can just copy here. I can just resize. I can size my chart, and I just want to see how I can just change the data in Excel to this chart and see how the chart will change it to. Maybe you are presenting this chart using PowerPoint, but you can just make changes. Any change you make to Excel, it will automatically change to PowerPoint too. Yeah, let me, for example, let me minimize this too. I just want to make some changes. I can just make some changes. You can see how my chart here is looking like. Maybe you just want to change the value of projectors to 27. You can see. You see here to change it too. I can make here the projectors of school F to 249. You see, it change it too. Any change that I can make. Let me just take, yeah, the desk to 370. You see the change. I can change the lasers, and data and change I can make to this data can also be made to my chart. And here I'm presenting. Remember that here this one is PowerPoint. You see, and change that I can make. I can put 1490. Can see here projectors are raising the quorum of projectors. I can here put yeah, 5,000 desks. You can see here changes. And guys, whatever you change here to Excel can also be changed to PowerPoint. Guys, you can just link your data. You can just link your Excel data to PowerPoint, and you are presenting here. You can put different formulas, and all formulas that are put in Excel can be here applied to PowerPoint. And other thing that I have to know is that once I close here to my Excel and I open it again and put another formula and I copy them and link them to PowerPoint, all changes will be made. And once I close my PowerPoint and I come to Excel and make changes, anytime I open back my PowerPoint too, I'll see the changes. Guys, this is how you can just link Excel to PowerPoint so that any change you make to your Excel data will also be observed to your PowerPoint data. Guys, I hope you enjoy the video and hit subscribe button to see more videos like this one in the future. See you next time.